Okay, so one of the cool things that we can do with WordPress is we can make multiple menus. We can manage the menus that appear on our site. And so what we're going to do is just a quick video on how to make a menu. We'll log into our WordPress website, into our Me Inside Out WordPress website, and we're going to go to Appearance. And actually, let's go ahead and visit the front of the site and take a look. And we can see at the moment we have no menu in our site whatsoever, and that's what we're setting out to take care of. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into Appearance and Menus. In menus, we can create all kinds of different menus for different locations. Right now, what we're looking for is the top menu. And because we use nested pages, we actually could just go ahead and use nested pages if we chose to. But for the sake of this, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make a menu. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to do all the pages that we created back in step 0.050. And we're just going to, over here we can see most recent, view all, search, we can search for them. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and view all. And what view all is going to do is it's going to let us see all of our pages. Go ahead and we can see we have our most recent. If we go into view all, now we can see that we're actually have our hierarchy in there the way that it should be. And what we want to do at this point is just select all, and we're going to remove home, and we're going to allow all these other pages that we've created in step 0.050 to be there. So we'll go ahead and add these to our menu, and we can see that it pushed all the pages out. So at this point, what we want to do is go ahead and do exactly what we did before. Just restructure, get everything the way that we want it laid out in our site. We'll leave who out there, who I, and then was, and then, am now, will be. We could actually drag these around in all different kinds of orders. And at this point we have that, and we're going to save this as our main menu. We're going to name it main menu, and we're going to hit save real quick. So at this point, now that we have our main menu, what we can do is we can tell it to go to a display location, and we want it to go in the top. And so if we hit save, we check that box, and then we actually go look at manage locations, we can see that the main menu is now in the top. And if we go out and we take a look and visit the site, we see that our menu is now laid out the way that we laid it out in there in our site, exactly the way that we wanted it. So you can have many different types of menus. We can create menus specifically just for API calls if we choose to, and we can strategically place different menus throughout our site. But that's the overview. That's the gist on making your menus, and pretty easy user interface, and really gives you a lot of power.